Hello, today we will guide you through how to trigger animations with audio or video bookmarks in PowerPoint. To begin, open the PowerPoint app and load a sample presentation that already includes a video. Using a presentation with media already in place makes it much easier to follow along and understand how bookmarks and animations work together in real time. Once the presentation is open, go to the top ribbon and click Insert. From there, choose Text Box. This will let you place a piece of text on the slide that we can later animate and connect to the video timing. Click on the slide to draw the text box, then type in some sample text. Keep it short and easy to spot on the slide so you can clearly see the effect when the animation is triggered. Next, click on the sample video in the presentation. Selecting the video is important because it reveals the media-specific tools you'll need. At the top, click Playback. This tab contains the controls for working with your video, including the option to add bookmarks. Now play the video, and at the moment where you want the animation to happen, click Add Bookmark near the top left of the ribbon. The bookmark acts like a timing marker inside the video. Try to place it at the exact point where you want your text to respond. If needed, take a moment to replay that section so the bookmark is placed accurately. After the bookmark has been added, click on the sample text you created earlier. This tells PowerPoint which object you want to animate in response to the video. Then go to the Animations tab at the top. Here you can connect the animation behavior to a specific event in the slide. In the Animations area, click Trigger. This opens the trigger options for the selected object. Choose on Bookmark and then select the bookmark you just created in the video. This links the text animation directly to that media bookmark, so when the video reaches that exact point during playback, the animation will begin automatically. That's the full process. You've inserted text, placed a bookmark in the video, and used that bookmark to trigger an animation. As a final tip, preview the slide after setting everything up to make sure the timing feels right. If the animation starts too early or too late, you can return to the video and adjust the bookmark placement. With just a few clicks, you can create presentations that feel much more dynamic, polished, and synchronized.